Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Vivo Y72 5G and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find apps and notifications. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on special app access. Here we have to find the option which is called install unknown apps. Let's tap on it, and as you can see here we've got the list of apps which are either allowed or not allowed, in my case, to install something. In order to change it, for example, in order to allow Chrome to install some content, just tap on it and tap on the switcher right here. Now let's get back, and as you can see it has been immediately changed, so it means that from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Be aware that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data or just your device under risk. Of course you can turn off all of the permissions, just tap on the option on the app you'd like to turn off and tap on the switcher, and after getting back the Chrome is again not allowed to install anything. So actually this is it. This is how to allow unknown sources in your Vivo Y72 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.